Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Liu Changyi on behalf of Team Number 4. Today, I want to present our project Olympa to all of you. Our presentation will be divided into 5 parts. Firstly, I would like to start with the introduction of our project. China is the world's largest producer of textiles. With the development of industrialization, China's textile consumption is dramatically increasing. And with the improvement of people's living standard, the frequency of people buying clothes is also going up, resulting in a leap of textile waste, making the disposal of used clothes a major problem in society. And in recent years, the concept of decluttering and detaching is becoming more and more popular. However, the problem is that they don't have proper guidance to tell them how to do it. As we can see on the left, these two pictures illustrate the current situation of clothes recycling in Macau. As we can see, the efficiency of second-hand clothes recycling in Macau is very low. These second-hand clothes haven't been collected properly, and they were simply piled up. Then we conducted a survey on secondhand clothes recycling among university students in Macau. The survey results show that the majority of the students are willing to give their no longer wear clothes away to the recycling company. As for college students, a more open and diverse aesthetic orientation makes them purchase clothes more frequently. But changeable dressing style also leads to an increased percentage of abandoning clothes. Actually, what enlightened us to come up with this project is that at every end of the academic year, the students will always leave a lot of things in the dormitory, especially clothes. And it's very hard for the cleaners to deal with these things, which means they don't know how to recycle the clothes effectively. And then is our introduction for some key points of our project. First is our purpose. We want to deal with the waste that the textile industry produced and promote sustainable development, resolve the difficulty of used clothes recycling, and reduce fabric resources waste. What's more, we want to promote economic and trade relation between China and Portuguese-speaking country. And then is our strategic objective. We want to draw public attention to the reuse of old clothes resource. And we want to achieve a win-win situation for sustainable development and public welfare. And what's more, we want to be the largest, most reliable, with highest rate of recycling used clothes company in Macau. Next is our business philosophy, which contains 3 key words, which are recycle, reuse, and reduce. Finally, our market positioning is dual channel secondhand clothing connection and collection and disposal program for Portuguese-speaking country. As for our industry chain, first, we will set up 2 recycling bins in every university in Macau, and the students can put their clothes in these recycling bins. And then these clothes will be delivered to the recycling center in Zhuhai, where they will be sorted. After sourcing, the secondhand clothes will be divided into 4 categories. Secondhand of a relatively famous brand, renewable secondhand clothes which can be reused directly after sterilization, damaged clothes and garment trimming, secondhand clothes with zippers. Finally, they will be sent into different regions, either to be sold or to be donated. And then I want to present you our market analysis and our marketing strategy. As for market analysis, as you can see, we have principally 4 markets, which are Angola, East Timor, and São Tomé and Príncipe, and Mozambique. There are something in common about these 4 markets. They both depend on imports. They both have a low textile production, and also they have a policy of reducing tariffs, which is benefit for our project. Finally, they both have the habit of buying secondhand clothes, which means that our project stands an opportunity in this 4 market. And then comes to our part of marketing mix, which are product price and placement and promotion. First is our product. Our company will sort the secondhand clothes according to brand style and condition of the clothes to meet the needs of our customers. Accordingly, our price marketing mix strategy contains that our company will set a different price for each kind of clothes. And then comes to the part of placement. Through the Sino-Portuguese Forum in Macau, we're able to contact second-hand clothing recyclers in the target market to conduct business negotiations. Then comes to our part of promotion. We can create marketing strategy with both online and offline, which will be mentioned shortly. And then comes to the part marketing channel. We have two ways of marketing, which is online and offline. As for online, we will establish website and social media accounts. And also through the internet, we will cooperate with university. And then comes to the part of our marketing offline. We will put up posters at each collection point. We will cooperate with universities and conduct seminars and raffles under the theme of sustainable development. What I want to stress the most here is that we would like to launch an annual art exhibition, Clothes Reformation, which gather our students in Macau to provide them with old clothes to recreate the old clothes and make some artistical products for sale. And then comes to the third part, budgets and risks. Firstly, let's see the operating budgets. The two biggest parts are warehouse rent and worker salaries, which are 54,000 and 50,000 respectively. And there are several other purchases, such as the recycling boxes, the network platform, office equipment, marketing, and the sorting machine. Totally, our estimated expenses for the first year is about 128,000 MOP. The second part is the annual revenue forecast. The renewable clothes will be sold to the target country, and the quantity is about 90 tons for the first year. And for the irrenewable clothes, they will be sold as fabric to factories in need, and the quantity is about 27 tons, and we will dismantle and sell scrap metal such as zipper for about 3 tons. As for earning of used clothes art exhibition, we're looking forward to 20,000 MOP a year. Considering the current market prices and taxes, we are expecting revenue of approximately 366,000 in the first year. Likewise, we have made profit forecast for the next few years, considering the positive impact of economies of scale and marketing on revenues. Our profit are expected to grow considerably. In the fifth year, we would perhaps reach 1.5 million MOP in revenue. And then I will present you with the risk analysis and management of our project. The project is in its early stages. The business model is not yet mature, and the understanding of the specificities of the African, Asian, Portuguese-speaking markets is only theoretical, and there are still unknown uncertainties. Our team is made up of university students who lack practical experience in managing a company and may run into problems with specific aspects of the actual operation due to the poor supply chain management. In terms of the company's finances, there is not much sources of financing for initial operations, and there can be issues for poor upfront profitability. For project risks, the project will focus on emphasizing its brand highlights, preparing backup plans in advance in order to face market changes, and doing our best to adapt to them. And also, we want to handle the interface between supply chains. We will also continue to create and meet customer needs, handle the interface between supply chain, and gain management experience in practice. The problem of financing can be solved with the support of national policies, improving the efficiency of capital utilization and seeking venture capital. Next comes to our fourth part, the core competencies of our project. First of all, our used clothes source is mainly discarded by university students, so the final product to our target market have the advantage of high quality, new style, and low prices. Secondly, our startup team is fluent in Chinese, English, and Portuguese, and we can understand well the history and culture of the target market and international laws and regulations as well. In the third place, our university can provide assistance on providing knowledge of CPLP economy, culture, and human resource. In addition, the project responds actively to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations and is committed to saving resources and reducing carbon emissions. Last but not the least, our adoption of multi-channel marketing techniques is also very competitive. Finally, is our team structure. We have in total 6 persons, and Cao Shiti is our founder, and the rest are the co-founders. And that comes to the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening.